Maayong adlaw, Dalagetnons,
and we are the
Powerhouse Chika!
And welcome to our 63rd episode, right, Cass?
Yes, correct.
And karon wa gihapon si Don Osvaldo and ding balik pud mi sa amo ang usual spot.
Sa among location sa studio.
Yes. And however, again, for those who are business owners or who wanted or barangay captains or everybody here sa atong lungsod sa Dalagete nga gustong i-promote ang inyong mga businesses or ganahang i-shout out or naay gustong ipahibalo sa ato ang mga kaigsuunang Dalagetnons, you are always welcome here. Just please send us a message at Dalagete Entertainment Hub and we're gonna cater all those invitations.
Yes,
diba?
As much as possible, hutdon na namutanan mga kachika.
Yes, true. And, yes, nami mga angay namong ipahibaw sa inyo, ha? And, yes
and by the way, di ay mga kachika, before we start, present today's mga news, we are gonna go back, mag-recap sa mga previous nights. Pag May 7, kay nag-barangay season, or third season of Barangayan sa Festival of Talents sa Barangay Mantalongon. So, congratulations once again. Kay aligri jud kayo dagang mga nanganta, nanayaw,
mga talents ito, showcasing their talents.
Yes, naay nagdrama ginagmay. So, ang makaingon jud ta ba nga full showcase. And then, we are also happy kay mga representatives mo from different barangays nga under sa San Isidro Labrador Parish. So, congratulations to Barangay Tabon, mao ang champion og nakadawat og 25,000 pesos. Congrats! Next is ang first runner-up is Barangay Katuluhan, nakadawat og 20,000 pesos. Congrats!
Nakadako yung premium, no?
Yes. Then gabi po ang effort sa mga nanayaw, nag-present, kanta, amazing yung kayo. At saka, ang second runner-up is Barangay Langkas, nakadawat og 15,000 pesos.
Congratulations!
Yes! And ang non-winners, di mabalaka kay naka-receive sila og 10,000 pesos each. So, congratulations once again for all. And by the way, thank you po di ay sa mga video and pictures nga kanang nagguha ang atong LGU mga volunteers, ang atong mga LGU employees, si Miss Abigail Cayetors, Ma'am Precious. Thank you so much. Si Marvin, thank you so much. Si SK Tandan, thank you.
Yes, and for more information, tomorrow, naa sila'y morning fiesta run.
Ooh.
Yes, at 5 a.m. This is what Consejal Reyes said. So, katong mga interested, I think still you can ask them if you can still join. Please, kaning ani mga activity nindot gid kay sa mga tanan, no? Yeah. At the same time, we are also promoting, of course, tourism here in our lungsod sa Dalagete, and this will be participated by not just Dalagetnons, but also people from different towns and from cities.
Yes, so see you around mga kasika sa mga mudagan.
Yes.
Apil na kita. See you.
Yes, and another good news. This is a aspiring college scholars. This is from Chad, Region 7. They actually have 195 available spots for Chad Merit Scholarship. This is from 2025 to 2026. Now, katong mga interesado kay, of course, again, dako gid kay ning tabang sa mga estudyante, especially katong grabe gid kay mga determinado gid kay. This is actually your chance. Let NGOs and LGUs help you out sa inyong pag-eskwela and achieve your dreams. Grab this opportunity. We're gonna be posting the link and where you're gonna check this out. So please, mga Dalagetnons, grab na kay sus, no? Nice kay, no?
Yes, sayang jud kay charot og dili ko haon nato.
Tinoon.
Then akong tabang po din sa parents, especially sa estudyante nga ganahan mulampos sa pag-eskwela.
True.
So, di na nato dugayon mga kachika, Ma'am Amy. Natay very special visitor nga niadto po siya from all the way to San Fernando City.
Yes.
So, atong ipalaila way lain pa ang business counselor and DTI representative. Please help us welcome Jason Obial Shalana.
Yes.
Yes. Welcome Sir Jason.
Welcome.
Chika.
Hi.
Hi.
Peace. Good
Good
morning.
morning.
Yes.
So, sir,
Meeting you, ma'am.
kanang
Finally!
yes,
Finally.
finally. Dugay na dyan, namo siya, gisunod-sunod dyan yan. Sir, kanang pa-interview na tato sa Powerhouse Chika,
Beta.
sa busy, pero karon timing kaya ang nasakpan.
True.
Finally.
Lagi.
Yes.
Yes.
So, by the way, Sir Jason, magpaila-ila ta sa atong mga
Viewers.
viewers.
Okay, hi. Good morning, Dalagatnons. Good morning, Cebuanon. By the way, I am Jason Aushalana, your DTI representative and business counselor assigned here in Dalagat and as well as in Argao and Karkar City. Nice meeting you.
Yes.
Multitasker.
Yes, mo nang lisod gid kani siya madakpan kay lain-lain gid nga cities and municipality iyang giadto.
Yes.
Yes. Diba, Cass?
And by the way, Day, if we may ask, tulo man to ka places yung mention unsay mo schedule, Jason?
Okay, for our schedule, actually, we have 3 DTI negosyo centers to gihandle. So basically, I have the main station in Karkar. So my usual schedule there is Monday to Tuesday. That's 8 to 5 p.m. And then we have in Argao as well. That's 10 to 5 since mo travel pa man pod ko.
Oo.
And then that's Wednesday.
10 to 5.
And 10 to 5. And then for Thursday and Friday, that's here in Dalaget. So basically 10:30 to 5 since considering also my time travel from our hometown.
Yes. And again, please take note of the schedule sa DTI katong mga business owners. Mo na gid ni inyong chance. Actually, a lot of people are sending me messages sa atong FB page. So karon, kabalo na gid mo sa schedule. Please take notes on the schedule. Right?
Yes, and di ba balaka kay na mapamigay posting. Pala po nato sa posting ang contact numbers ni Sir. So,
Yes,
Sir, in
yes.
case nga wala ka diri unsay mga contact numbers nga pwede na mo i-contact nimo or ang mga business owners ni mga pangutana.
Okay, so just in case nawala ko sa area since I have
Nag-roam
3
around.
negosyo centers
Yeah.
na akong gihandle. So just call me or contact me at 0960-36-11103. So that's my contact number. It's Mark.
Okay, and pwede ba ka ma-reach out sa
Or you can
email or
you can
Facebook?
also email me at karkarcitync@gmail.com.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, so we're gonna be including that in our caption sa amo ang podcast. Yes.
Okay.
So, Carol, we're gonna ask you a few questions.
Sure, ma'am. Sure.
Sige. So, unsa man giday ang role sa DTI, sir, in supporting katong mga businesses nato?
Oh, mga negosyante.
Yes.
Yes. So, katong sa mga wala pa nakahibaw kung unsa ang Department of Trade and Industry. So, DTI is a primary government agency that is in charge of coordinating, promoting, and regulating the trade industry and the investment here in our country. So, the key focus of the Philippine Department of Trade and Industry to our MSMEs is to help them enable and promote their products and services through our interventions as well and programs of the Department of Trade and Industry.
Yes. So, dako gid kayo nga role ang gibuhat ni DTI for our business owners.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. This is again, I'll use your word, your favorite word, collective efforts.
Collective
From both DTI and also business owners.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah, especially karon ma'am, no, we promote not competition but also collaboration.
Oh, sa mga
Yes.
businesses kay nindot maguna
True.
friendly
Yes.
then
Mo na karon.
both together are growing.
Yes.
Bitaw. So, next question, Cass.
Next question, Sir Jason, is how does the DTI through the Negosyo Center supporting aspiring and existing mga negosyante?
Okay. So the negosyante, so ato layman's terms sa negosyante or our micro, small, medium enterprise, kumbaga sa mo ang language sa DTI, when they walk in sa negosyo center or sa DTI satellite office, is there are various range of services na amo makater para sa ilaha. So basically first, we have the business registration facilitation or assistance. Second, we have the business advisory. Third, we have the business information advocacy. And lastly is the monitoring. So planning and monitoring. So first, for the business name registration. So basically, we facilitate the mga negosyante, the MSMEs, para sa pag-register, pag-apply og renewal, ug pag-cancel sa ilahang mga business name certificate, sa kato ilahang DTI certificate. So, if di sila kaybaw sa online, since karon gears towards online naman ta, since pandemic kay gina-promote na ni DTI.
Yes.
So we have online, you can actually register, renew at your fingertips sa inyo ha. But if ever na dili mo kaybaw, you can visit the negosyo center, and we're there, the business counselor, to assist you sa inyong mga concerns in terms of the renewal, new, and the cancellation of the business name registration certificate. Second, we have the business advisory assistance. So, unsa man na siya? Basically kami mag-tailor kung unsay needed or unsay gusto ni MSME or negosyante. So for example, if kung ikaw mismo nagnegosyo ka, ganahan ka, importante makina ang bookkeeping para sa ato, di ba? Para ma-monitor na to atarong atong cash flow, ang cash in, ang cash out sa ato negosyo. Pwede ka moduol sa negosyo center, magpakanda ka ng specific na seminar or training for the simple bookkeeping. We can do it one-on-one or in a group discussion. So, tailor na to kung unsay gusto nimo. So, but dili na siya limited lang ana. So, kung unsa pay gusto nimo, we have other also mga services na or mga information advocacy na pwede nimo mahatag sa imo unsay gusto nimo. That's for the business advisory. Third, we have the business information and advocacy. So, mo na gina-consider as bread and butter sa mo ang negosyo center. So, kay diha man gud magsugod ang pag-instill og knowledge. So kana siyang business information advocacy, mag-conduct mi nag mga seminars and trainings. So mga entrepreneurial seminars. So training sad. So kung say ganahan nimo ipakandak sa inyo ha, mag-conduct mig amoa initiative jud na para naamoy dugang nakaalam para unsa ang pagpalambo sa inyong negosyo. Okay, di ba, no man is an island, so we're here also to support you, to enable you to foster and to grow para sa inyong business.
Yes.
So diha mo guna magsugod ang information ang pag-instill, but it's up to you on how you're going to apply it. So na siya.
correct.
And lastly, we have for the monitoring. If kung gi-mandate me or gisugo mi sa main office na mo to conduct price monitoring, di ba? When you hear DTI, first sa damo mo register sa yung na is presyo. Di ba? SRP. Pero sa mga basic commodities lang na siya, basically. Kailahin naman na sa mga energy or sa raw materials, si DTI, ito lang sa mga processed food, mga basic o prime commodities sa mga processed food. So, if gimando mo yan na sa main office na mag-conduct of price monitoring, so we can also conduct that as well.
Wow.
So basically, mao na atong functions ni Negosyo Center. And si Negosyo Center is not just only a government facility, but also a hub for our micro, small, medium enterprise na dito sila ma-hear, ma-inspire to push forward for their own business.
Wow.
And
Yes.
speaking of push forward, di ba, syempre, kanang curious mo po ring mga tao. So, unsa may mga ways, Sir Jason, nga ang negosyo center matabangan ang mga small businesses accessing funds or financial support. Yung mga man dyan kwan, kasagaran may maglisod sa mga negosyante, diha, biya, gyud.
True.
Sakto. So, daghan og programs and services si DTI. So, one of which is the access to finance. So, we partnered with various financing institutions, and we have also financing arm. That's the Small Business Corporation or the SB Corp. SB Corp is the attached agency of the Department of Trade and Industry. So sila ang in charge para sa among mga loan programs. So we're not here also for the for the conduct of seminars, assist sa imuhang mga registration, but also mo provide sa mig additional capital. Pero dapat sa inyong pag-loan, afford sa ninyo kung unsay ma-loan ninyo, di ba? Kung unsay risk man na ang mag-loan. So dapat afford po ninyo inyong ma-loan. So i-assist mo na sa mong mga account officer kung unsay kaya nimo ma-loan, kung magdepende sa imuhang asset size. So ang amuang loan program sa SB Corp, that's what we call now is Rise Up. So Rise Up program. So kana siya na program is to help the MSMEs expand the operation of their business. So pwede sila maka-loan of up to for the mga starting lahat katong mga ginagmay na mga negosyante, they can loan up to 300,000.
Wow.
300,000. Starting na sa mga ginagmay na micro enterprise. So katong mga dagdag pwede mga 1 million or beyond. But the requirement is, since we are government, so same goes with other commercial banks, we require pertinent documents such as the DTI certificate and then the mayor's business permit. Okay.
So, nalagi siya mga requirements mga kachika, pero di na mabalaka kay, kung may mga questions, mga kalisod, abli rin si Sir Jason
Yes.
para mo tubag sa inyong mga pangutana o mutabang, especially ang DTI.
Yes, and this is actually an eye-opener, no? Nga, dili lang giday ang DTI, just registration alone. But they can actually definitely gonna help those business owners. Like, imagine, a small Rise Up, the loan that they mentioned, Sir Jason's have mentioned, katong Rise Up, small pa ganito nga scale, 300,000. Yes.
Yes.
But again, we have to remember, doing business is very difficult. There are times nga mawagtangan ta, and there are actually one of those reasons kay tungod kulang tag support, it may be
Yes.
emotional or financial support. So however, DTI is here to help the business owners.
Correct,
Yes.
ma'am.
Right? So
Correct.
nindot kita ayo.
Advice na arigid sila.
Check. Yes. Again, ang schedule ni Sir Jason sa delegate is Thursday and Friday.
Yes.
So, ihato na i-recap, no?
Yes.
Thursday and Friday only.
Yes. Kung na may mga pangutana or if there are things that you're confused or need to be clarified, naaragid siya.
Yes, and the number once again is?
0960-36-11103.
Wow.
Just contact Jason.
Yes.
Shalana.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. So, Sir Jason, do you have any shout-outs?
Shout out.
Okay, shout out to my family out there sa San Fernando, and of course sa friends nako diha sa Carcar City and counterparts, and also friends diri and diri sa municipality of Dalaget, special sa Tourism and Investment Office. Hi.
Yes.
Yes.
Mga guwapa.
And sa ako ang of course, mga colleagues nako sa Department of Trade and Industry diya sa main office
Pez.
o sa mga negotiation center. Yes, Sir Pez as well. Hi.
True. Yes. Cass, shout-out.
Ayun. Shout out po ko sa mga friends and family. Thank you so much for watching Delegate Entertainment Hub and Powerhouse Chika. Ikaw?
Yes. Tugay tatad na no. Akong mamag, akong papa. Papa, please, hinahinay lang. Recover. We all love
also.
you. Yes.
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 So with that mga kachika, thank you so much for watching, supporting Powerhouse Chika, and don't forget to hit like, subscribe, follow Dalaget Entertainment Hub and Municipality of Dalaget. My name is
My
Casmer.
name is Amy. And we are the Powerhouse Chika!